Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2015 Ford Escape. This goes for many models and years of the Escape. Show you how to use the air condition control. Basically, this button here turns it to hot and cold. You can see it going up and down. Same thing with this side for the other side. On air conditioning, you hit that button. This will control fan speed, higher, lower. This puts it, see the arrow, it's aiming towards the man. That's supposed to be a person. His feet. This will go in your face. That's windshield defrost. And that will circulate the air. This is for maximum high. And that's a power button right there. So that's basically all you need to know. Rear window defroster. The other button pops your trunk. And that turns the passenger side airbag on and off. It's kind of self-explanatory, but sometimes you need somebody to show you. Joe Beermaster. One other thing, hazard light.